Y'all ever seen your girl rock a bust down middle part body wave before? Girlies, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Tati. Today I am so excited. Do y'all see my hair? Have y'all ever seen your girl rock a bust down middle part body wave before? But Wiggins came through with this beautiful 13x4 Brazilian body wave unit, medium brown lace. I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this start to finish. It was a little struggle bus because I was going crazy with the Got To Be glue. So I'm going to give you guys my tips and my tricks and what not to do and what to do this go around in this install. And I think you guys are going to love this wig. The last time I had some good body wave hair like this was when we was playing around with 4 bundles, you know, and a closure. Flat at the top, a little bust down middle, a little swoop-de-doo. Y'all can't beat this. Wiggins information will be listed in the description box below. Let's get into this because I'm super excited for y'all to see. So as eager as I was to install this unit, I knew for a fact that I needed to bleach the knots for it to get its fullest potential. So I just wanted to show you guys the inside of the wig. It does come with 3 combs, an elastic band at the back. I used Quick Blue and my Clear All 40 volume developer today to bleach these knots, and I'm just mixing that up together until I get like a pancake consistency, and I'm just going to be placing that all over, girl. That's how simple that is. And I just ended up washing it out and trying so hard not to wash the curl pattern out. Popping on a flesh tone wig cap. Make sure everything is tucked as much as possible. How it turned out, you guys, really nice, really beautiful outcome, and it's not over bleached, so that's always the best thing, because when it's a little over bleached, trying to fix over bleached knots can be a little hassle. I'm just going to start adding some splits into my lace. You want to just make sure your wig is even, so make sure it's lined up perfectly on each side. Take a section of lace and start combing all of the hair back. Cut, and break up. So we're just spraying one more time because, you know, it did dry up a little bit. I can already tell that it's getting ashy, so what I'm gonna do before I go in with the elastic band is take some of that Fantasia heat protectant spray, and I'm just gonna take it right on top of my lace. You might need some rubbing alcohol to ensure everything is gone. So just take that same pad, use the opposite side, and just hit those areas. Take your band and put it around the lace. I tried to keep the body wave as much as I could when I was doing my bleaching of the knots. So here is its natural state, honey bun. I don't know if y'all seen how it was looking at first, like it didn't really need that much of plucking. So I'm not gonna go too crazy. Alright, you guys, so somehow, some way, I lost the audio around this time, so I'm just doing extra plucking towards the back half because I saw that the density wasn't the same. But right here, I'm taking my Zoe Professionals curling wand. I'm using the smallest barrel, and I'm using that just to lay the top half of my hair down. I just didn't have the patience that night to actually plug in my hot comb and let it heat up because my hot comb takes quite some time for it to get to its fullest potential, but this Zoe Professionals wand curler definitely gets the job done. So I'm just flattening my hair out with this over and over again until I get what I'm looking for. And I will try to link it in the description box below. In my opinion, it's so much easier to travel with than my hot comb. And I just love how it lays those edges. Like, you see how it just gets the sides just to lay down like you're actually using your hot comb, but you really didn't. So I'll, like I said, try to list it in the description box below. But I actually picked mine up from Marshall's. So I would definitely see if you can get your hands on this one because it's definitely a gem. It does come with 4 different heads, but it just makes everything so much easier. So I'm working on baby hairs, and today I really didn't care for the baby hairs in this video that much. They did come out decent, but I have this whole new technique on baby hairs now. So I just parted the baby hairs, got a section that was reasonable enough for me to get a really good swoop, and then just took some of that density out, cut it blunt, and just curled it under. And I used my Got2b glue hairspray to lay my baby hairs without using anything else. And I think that's why I didn't care for the outcome of the baby hairs, because they just looked really crunchy. But now, like I said, I have this new technique with mixing 2 different products, so Got2b glue hairspray and my Moroccan oil serum to lay my baby hairs. And I love that method way better than just using this hard hairspray to get the baby hairs to lay down. Of course, you know, just curl them under, swoop them with your favorite edge brush or your toothbrush, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to come back before the video closes out, but I do appreciate you guys for watching, and if you are enjoying, don't forget to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell. Body wave just looks so realistic. It looks like I actually like put some curls in it, but this is just how the hair came. Like, getting to it, quality is there, sweetie. Like, y'all see that? The quality is there. But let me know how you guys feel about the final look. I will list all of Wiggins' information in the description box below so you can check it out. Don't worry, I am going to comb out my baby hairs and kind of tame these flyaways a little bit more. But this hair definitely gets a 10 already out of me because just look at it. Like, just look at it. This is like some vacation hair, honey. Definitely check Wiggins' information out. So this 13x4 body wave, Brazilian body wave unit from them. I'll keep you guys updated on it via Instagram. So definitely ask me questions on there if you need to about this unit. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.